friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making White Castle frozen chicken wings in the air fryer. So here's a package of White Castle frozen chicken wings. No need to defrost, air fry, we'll cook it straight from frozen. So I'll open up the package and take out the air fryer basket. And let's put the chicken wings in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 9 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these chicken rings. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Do you hear how crunchy? Perfect. So those are like chicken nuggets in ring shape. So good. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Perfect. It's so good. The breading is very crispy and the inside is soft and moist, just like they should taste. So good. So much better than the microwave. When you microwave them, they always turn out soggy, but in the air fryer, they turn out so crispy. Once you try cooking them in the air fryer, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!